So hi guys, welcome to another YouTube video. My name is Barbara and here we do a lot of lifestyle inspiring content. If you like more of these videos, kindly please don't forget to subscribe. So today I thought I should deal with the under the sink, and let me tell you, my sink is leaking. I didn't know this place was leaking, as in later in the video you will see stuff that water has actually really destroyed quite a number of things that were under the sink. I knew the place was not organized, yes, and I thought it is a very good idea for me to one, declutter, and then two, organize this place. And the shelf that you see actually had a carpenter install that shelf because that place was just a blank space, as in there's no much storage in this kitchen, and that is why I have to do what I have to do. So decluttering and actually giving things away was like the best thing for this kitchen, and having less was actually good when it comes to managing the sink. So I will throw some stuff. I want actually to remain with very few plastic stuff, which I'll be dealing with that later on. Probably next year I'll be buying a lot of glassware for storage in my fridge and my food, but for now let me just keep the ones that I'll be able to keep, throw away the ones that I know need to be thrown, and then actually give away some few stuff that I think will actually go into helping someone else use them. So that is the only storage that is under the sink, and I'll actually organize it to a place where I will actually just have probably my cooking pots and some basins down here. I don't want anything like deep into the sink, because actually getting things when it's so deep in there is bad, as in it's so hectic getting things up there. So this is the only shelf that we have. The floor of the kitchen is also a bit worn out, and actually some cement under the sink was actually in some of the utensils, as in this place was a mess. See the mess that I'm saying? That is the water that has been dripping over time, and it actually looks like rust. The smell that was coming here, it was not so good. It was really not so good. So I'll be able to clean that as much as I can, though some stuff are really so they're old stains. I even don't know what detergent I will use, because I've tried baking soda, but it's not coming out. So even the doors of the cabinets are very old. The stains are not coming off, and I'll actually deal with it as it is. So let me let you guys watch this video from here. one, this place is much of a difference compared to the last time you guys saw in this video. And this place is looking cute. Down are my cooking pots. Up here I'm a plastic things, jugs and water view. This other side are my basins and my 2 small buckets, and I want nothing else to be in this under the sink place. I love this place. It's looking great, clean, organized, and I'll be sure to catch you guys in my next video where we'll be styling the rack, putting things in the right places. Then the next project will be putting contact paper on these tiles in the kitchen, and this place, let me tell you, it will look very cute. So thank you so much guys for watching. Until the next video, bye.